Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today I have come up with the new update regarding NPTEL January to April 2020 examination. So according to the previous notice, the NPTEL has announced the last day to cancel your exam was June 26, 12 pm. But now the NPTEL has come up with the new dates if you have not selected any of the options. So in first notice you can see here the last date. Okay, I will show you, wait for a minute. So in first notice the NPTEL had mentioned that June 26 Friday 12 pm is the last date to fill the form, and if you have not filled any option, if you have not filled before the given deadline, by default you will retain your exam fee, and we will return your exam fee and will expect you to write the exam on later date as explained. So a lots of you people missed out this notice and unable to select the option, and even you are not going to write the exam, but NPTEL has marked as you are going to write exam as you didn't update the option. So NPTEL got a lot of complaint regarding this issue. So NPTEL has come up with the new solution. The new solution is the NPTEL is again going to resume the cancellation form by July 13. So please you wait till July 13, and if you want to cancel the exam you can cancel. In first alert there is around, you can see here, 1,79,000 7,930, like 1,08,000 people cancelled the exam. So you can nearly assume that this is lakh 10 lakh crore 10 crore, around 10 crore money the NPTEL is going to refund. So they will take some time to refund your money, to send back your money. So please you have to wait some more week, 1 or 2 week more. And the people who want to cancel, like there is 60,000 people who have not cancelled the exam so far. So NPTEL is again resuming the next cancellation form by July 13. So please you subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Once the NPTEL will announce the new form, I will definitely provide the small video clip, so you can go and cancel your exam if you want. And already NPTEL has started July to December semester. So I have already provided the detailed 4 video, not 4, 3 video on that. First, how you can choose the best NPTEL course. Second, how you can get the NPTEL domain certificate. And the third video, how you can become NPTEL star. And also I am providing the solution for 7 different NPTEL courses this semester. So please guys, you can subscribe my channel and stay tuned with my channel, so you can catch up and you can get help during the assignment. And even I have the launch the official website of Deep Codec Guru. I will soon introduce you all with that, so you can easily get the solution weekly wise. You need not to go and search my playlist. So let me first pause the video and then after show you where you can find those 3 video, and where I am providing those all solution. I have already started playlist. So once the NPTEL will release the assignment, I will provide the solution over there. So guys, you can see here, this is the playlist NPTEL information. So here I have provided how you can select the best NPTEL courses and how you can become NPTEL star. So you can see here NPTEL star certificate, NPTEL, how to register NPTEL online courses, the best courses, full detail I have provided, and then how you can get NPTEL domain certificate. So you can go and check it out, this playlist, and watch this video before you enroll any subject. So you can take the more advantage and you can gain the more credibility certificate from the NPTEL courses. And coming to the website, I have conducting any event, then you can post your event, and you can also watch the different event on our website and you can register. So you can go with, and even I have provided the quiz system, so you can go and take the quiz on my website. I will provide the certificate soon on the quiz if you take. So this is, you can go and start, register and log in. And even I have provided the coronavirus update, those status. So here I am still working, some work is pending, so you can also visit off, and soon I will provide the tabs about everything, so how you can go and check all NPTEL information, those all videos. So I will provide soon, and then after I will provide this website link, right? So this is all about the today video, and I have also provided here guys for solution for this Python for everybody data, NPTEL data structure and algorithm using Python, problem solving through C, programming in C++, and then after programming in Java, database management system. So for these 5 courses and 2 more, introduction to machine learning, and 1 more course I am joy of computing. So 1 more course, that is 7 courses I am going to provide solution in coming semester. So please you subscribe my channel and stay tuned with this. And regarding the cancellation, I have already stated that after on July 13th the NPTEL is going to resume the next cancellation form, so you can cancel. And I want to introduce 2 or 3 questions already which I am getting frequently, like you got the modified certificate, and if you cancel the exam then there is nothing to worry. If you cancel the exam, the modified certificate will be valid, you will get 80% of your refund. Even you write your exam and if you secure the better mark, then you can show your normal certificate, you will get normal certificate. When we have heard the NPTEL will conduct examination, you write examination and you will get certificate, and if you get the better score in the normal exam, then you can show that certificate, right? Or you can show the modified certificate, both way you can go, according to your needs you can show. And coming to the value and the credibility, then that normal without the tag of NPTEL mode, like COVID-19 affected semester, without that if you show the normal certificate, then that has the definitely huge credibility, because for that you have wrote the examination, right? And coming to the next question, people are asking that I didn't get modified certificates, will I be eligible to write the exam? Then first please you go and calculate your score. If your course is 4 week, then you take 3 best week and calculate the average, how much percentage you got. In case of 8 week, you calculate basic week, and in case of 12 week, you calculate 8 best week, and you calculate what is your average percentage. So if your average percentage is more than 10%, then you need not worry, you can appear on exam and you can write, and you will get the pass certificate if your score is more than 40% of 70 marks in the final exam. And if your score is less than 10% in assignment, then better you cancel the exam, because if you don't cancel, the NPTEL will definitely allow you to attempt the exam and write on the center, but you will fail to score minimum 10% in assignment side, so you will not get the certificate at end. So I hope now you are clear that if your score is more than or equal to 10% in assignment, then you can able to write the examination, though you have not got modified pass certificate. If you have got modified, you need not to worry, you can write. And if you want to cancel, then you can cancel, the modified certificate will be valid except domain certificate and FDP certificate. So now I hope I am clear. I don't want to make this video longer than the 10 minutes. So please you now subscribe my channel, stay tuned. You can also join the Telegram group of Deep Codec Guru. You can find those all links in video description. And if you have any more queries, then please you ask in comment section, or you can WhatsApp me. I will always there to help you out. So thanks you all again, my dear subscriber. Please you subscribe my channel, share this video and share this information with your friend. They will definitely appreciate you for sharing the information. Please stay safe, stay happy, stay learning.